What's up, it's me, Sean from S10e, and today I have a hands-on of the S10e, the Galaxy S10e. So you guys can see here, it's a light version of the Galaxy S10. Kind of losing display resolution. It's, I think, full HD, as well as a little bit of size, 5.8 inches versus 6.1 inch on that Infinity display. Fingerprint sensor also is an ultrasonic. It's actually built into the power button on the right-hand side. Cameras, you're only getting a dual camera aperture on the back as opposed to 3 different cameras, which is pretty cool on the Galaxy S10, which you change the focal length and whatnot from a very zoomed out to middle view to a very micro view. But other than that, it still keeps most of the same features at a lower price point. It also has the power share, wireless power share, so you can charge other Qi-enabled devices on the back of it by connecting by connecting the phones by tapping them wirelessly and having that feature enabled on your Galaxy S10e. These phones come out about in a month, and if you guys have any other questions, please drop them off in the comments.